So now we're going to combine what you learned about the special right triangles and the trig ratios. You're going to fill in this table mostly independently, but I'm going to start you off just with a couple. And what I recommend you do first is draw your special right triangles. So off on the side here, I'm going to draw, here's 60, 30, x, 2x, and x radical 3. And then the 45, 45, that's x, x, and x radical 2. All right, so let's start off in the first corner here. We want to find the sine of 30 degrees. Well, we've got a 30-degree angle up here, and we know that the ratio for sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So here's our 30. Opposite 30 is x, and the hypotenuse is 2x. So opposite is x, and the hypotenuse is 2x. And that's going to simplify nicely to be 1 over 2. So the sine of 30 degrees is 1 over 2. Now, we also know that sine and cosecant are reciprocals, so we can fill in for cosecant. The cosecant of 30 should be 2 over 1. All right, let's do another one. Let's try 45 degrees. Maybe we'll do tangent. So move this to the side. And we want to do the tangent of 45 degrees. So we're going to focus on our 45, 45, 90. We know that the tangent is opposite over adjacent. And these angles in here are our 45-degree angles. It doesn't matter which one you pick. I'm going to go with this one. So opposite 45 we get x, and adjacent to 45 we also get x. So x over x simplifies to be equal to 1. So over here for tangent of 45, I'm going to say that that's equal to 1. And we also then know the cotangent should be equal to 1 because that's the reciprocal. So now it's up to you to fill in the rest of this table. And when you're done with that, you want to take note of any patterns that you see. And then you've got a little challenge question here between number 2 and number 3. You want to talk to everyone in your group about that. Now, you don't necessarily need to rationalize your values for this table, but just be aware of directions whenever you're doing your homework or taking a test or quiz. If it says to rationalize, be sure that you do.